to show you how I make my Thieves Laundry soap last longer. So this is the bottle you get from Young Living. And I bought these on Amazon. And they're squirt bottles. So what I do is I can take and turn one of these into three 32-ounce bottles, and so I'm going to show you how I do that. So I have already separated it out. I've just divided it up between the three bottles, so that is done. The next thing I do is I like Thieves Household Cleaner, and the Thieves Household Cleaner, I put 2 capfuls in each one of these. Hopefully I don't make it too big of a mess, because a lot of times these caps don't dump very easily into bottles. So I'll try and do that easily and carefully. So I like to do 2. Oops, see, it does make a mess, but in each one. There you go. And the last one. Oop, that one definitely made a mess. Oh well, that's what the paper towels are for. All right, so get my Thieves Household Cleaner in there, and the next thing I do is fill the rest up with water, because the Thieves Laundry soap is actually super concentrated, and same with the Thieves Household Cleaner, very concentrated. And so these are full of water, and these are red bottles, and I just go in and fill the rest up with water. Probably shake it up a bit gently. Okay. Alright. Whoop. There we go. Making messes again. Alright, so then to kind of shake it up a bit, I would put the lid on. So I have to squish it on a little bit. And then you kind of gently shake it, so it's not to make it all sudsy, but you want to mix it around so it mixes and it's not too thick at the bottom. There's that. So I do that for all of them. Just mix them around. And this one, I could probably add more water to it. I've mixed it. down gently. There you go. Hold it to the side. Fill it more. Close the lid and mix it some more. Gets a bit messy, but it's worth it in the end. So it's getting it all mixed in. And then you'll have a lot of laundry soap to use. And you really don't have to baby it along, because all you'll need to do is do 2 squirts of this in each load. I guess depending on how big your load is. I would do 2 squirts for a full load. And then add more water. Oops. There's the suds. All right. So the mess is always good. All right, so now I've got my bottle. Once I rinse this off, it's ready to go. But I like to also use these stickers on my Thieves Laundry soap because they pull off very nicely if you're gentle with it. And you can place it on the front of your bottles, which is really awesome. So that's what I'm gonna do with all of them. Put the sticker on the front of them, and it looks super fun and nice. All right, I think that is it. So you just shake it up and it's ready to go for you. And happy laundering. All right, see you later.